So I think queer nightlife is very important, especially in the Netherlands, because we don't have a lot of spaces where the queer people of color are being centered and prioritized. So it's just essential that the girls feel safe, and most of all that the girls can have fun.
We should keep in mind that we should not escape, but we should raise our frequencies through dancing and through connecting. So yeah, that is why I think that it's important.
As a Black queer person, I don't always feel safe in regular spaces, so therefore I find Black queer spaces important because I can feel safe and be amongst my own people.
It's important to have a space where you can feel like you can be comfortable in your own skin. You don't have to worry about other people judging you. And yeah, it's just really nice to have those spaces.